The next script that we're going to create is actually what's called a base class. And we're going to be implementing something that is referred to as inheritance. Inheritance allows us to take a piece of code that has certain variables or values within it and make another piece of code that takes everything in the first piece and then adds stuff on top of it in the second piece. So in this case, what we're going to use that for is what's called an inventory, which in our game here is going to hold all the gold for not only the player, but all of the enemies we have to face in our game. So to start, what we're going to do is, again, in our resources folder here, we're going to right-click, click Create, and C# script. And we're going to, in the name field, without clicking, type inventory. Or again, if you accidentally clicked, you can rename and change it to inventory, but make sure when you open the script, like we all have to do here, this name up here also says inventory. And then all that we're going to put in this script is we're going to delete all of this and just type public int current gold. And we're going to hit or set that equal to 0 by default. And the reason for that is that, like I said, this code is going to be used by two other scripts, our player inventory and later on our enemy inventory. Both of those inventories need to be able to see or tell how much gold they have. So this public integer current gold will be available to both of those scripts through inheritance. And we'll see that in action in a second when we make our player inventory. And of course, make sure you save and close the script before you move on, as this is all that we'll ever add to this inventory script.